Yep, bafethu. Njengoba nazi, today is Kaizer Chiefs versus Sekhukhune United. Number 2 versus number 3. Both teams have been lost. And this is their sixth match. So I hope kuzoba ne-loser namhlanje. I hope kuzoba ne-loser ne-winner. I don't want i-draw. I-draw will give i-Sundowns the-advantage ukuba number 1. So there must be a winner or a loser. Kaizer Chiefs versus Sekhukhune Babina Noko Stadium, FNB Stadium, 7:30. Asihlanganeni kuna. Yep, bafethu sanibonani. I-16 Tuesday, September 2025. Kaizer Chiefs will host Babina Noko Sekhukhune United at FNB Stadium. 7:30. So it's battle of number 1, of number 2, and number 3. The winner will take position 1, guys. If there is a draw, I think both teams will remain where they are in position 2 and 3 if there is a draw. But if one of them win, one is Ochapa Pezulu, our number 1. So my prediction is that Kaizer Chiefs will win by 2-1. 2-1. Kaizer Chiefs will win by 2-1. Thank you.